We have here an employee data. We don't want anybody to change this data. Even we don't want this rank is visible to anybody except for the managers. To apply this effect, we will use worksheet protection features. Let's first unlock all the locked cells. To do that, first select and right click to find the format cell. Here we have the protection. It is locked. Let's make it unlock. Now let's select the cell we want to lock. We want the column B and column C. First let's unhide column D, that's the rank. Let's hide, and now let's go to format cell and lock it again. Now go to review and protect sheets. The review home tab, here is a review. Then protect sheets. It says protect sheets for locked sets. We can put our password and one more time to double check our password. Now we have the effect. It's grayed out. So if we want to make any change, we can't. Even we can't unhide it also. We can unhide it. So this help us to protect our sheet. We can unprotect sheet by going again to review and say unprotect. We must not forget our password, however, because if you forget, we lost our sheet.